Howdy. Alrighty. Ah. I'm scooping myself a bowl of ice cream. Because why not? I like ice cream. Man, I am not as ready for this as I thought I was. I also need to grab myself some water. Oh boy. Alright. Here. Let me, here, look at that. I will be back in like a hot second. I'm gonna get myself a bottle of water. I've returned. All right, so let's do this. All right, so my game so far. The map is different from last time we did this. Quite different. There's also some clouds here. It's a completely different shape. And yeah. But we got some water, a river here that will keep going on. Go down this river till you get to the waterfall. And you got a lake down here. And here's underneath the water surface of the lake here. For anyone who cared. And then we have a bunch of wood. Bunch of trees. They're all billboard trees. We'll be fixing that later. Oh, I know it's Robin here. They're supposed to be billboards, but these aren't billboards for some reason. I know what that reason is. It's because I turned off billboard on these. There, now they're billboards. Anyway, there's a moon. The moon, I didn't even realize this, the moon reflects the light off the sun. I mean, of course it does, but it's just a ball. It's just a ball in the sky. But then the sun, way out there. Anyways, whoa. And yeah, there's also a day-night cycle. So if we got stars at night, and then it's way too long to like let it play. If I did, it would take up half of the stream, and I don't want to do that because, you know, I'd like to be doing stuff for half the stream. And then sun goes down, stars come back out, and then there's even a gradient to where the stars, see there's stars there, then you look there, stars are getting dimmer, stars are really dim, and then by then they're should be gone completely. Maybe, I don't know. It's not that big of a deal if it isn't though. But yeah, stars. And let's set here. I'll just show you what's the game is looking like right now. Like when you run it, you know. Hang on, sorry. Right. I have a very janky setup for the microphone right now because the microphone stand broke recently. Anyway, so here we have Hero. He's far more simplified than from last time we saw him. And he also has a little critter on his shoulder. That little critter is going to be the character you saw on the thumbnail. That's going to be Tricky. And he can run. He can walk, of course. There's a nice transition there. And then sprint as well. You'd have to repeatedly tap the sprint button though in order to do that. Or the run button. And the run button is space. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Woo, sun's rising. Much quicker than the sun rises in real life. But yeah. Alright. And then this is going to be a forest here right next to the starting village. Alright. So once I have some people in here, then I will start officially explaining what the plan is for this episode, this stream, this video. But yeah, here we have some white plains of grass. We have floating trees for some reason. That's weird. I think I know why that's happening though. Anyway. Yeah. There is also a bridge over here. I'm gonna stop sprinting. Just jog. Here's a little ravine here. It's gonna, I feel like it's gonna be a little scenic because this is probably a great shot to look at the main city. If the main city is like, you know, where the parting of Hero's hair is, but you can't really see it very well because there's just the fog in the morning is just so dense, you know. All right. That's something I need to fix. All right. And keep going. Yeah, this grass is very tall. Much taller than necessary. Anyway, I'm just running through the route, I guess it would take to get down to this main basin, I guess is what it'd be called. Except it's hardly a basin, because it goes straight to the ocean. But, you know. All right. So let me get to work. Ba ba ba. Doo 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 doo. All right. So what am I starting off with? Attack animations. This is just a thrust. I finally got that to a point where I like. And now I'm going to do a slash. Hero. Attack. M. Sword. L. Slash. So 1. Hang on. What's the official terminology? Man. Alright, we're gonna call it a strike. Strike. So attack M, sword L, strike. So 1. Actually cut. I'll call it cut. 1. Alright. Actually, we're gonna call it cut start. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Alright. So let's get the start and end frames in here. And these won't be final. These will just be to get the general idea of what we want. Ta-da! Ba bum ba. Now that's pretty much it for a strike. Or, well, for a cut like this, because it's going to be a starting cut, so it's going to be very much... Alright. I don't think I've explained my combat system too much. But... okay, I think... yeah, it is gonna be... hang on. I can't quite explain what I'm thinking, but I'll just show you. Ooh, that is weird. All right. All right. Okay. I'm gonna have to change the general stance width overall. All right. I do want a very clear arc. and then start back at 0. Okay. Woo! How you folks doing? All right. All right. Oh boy. We're gonna do that one more time. Right. All right, we're gonna hold that pose. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, I guess. I'm just wondering, it seems a little stiff. What do you think? Huh. So there's gonna need to be a follow-up attack, of course. Maybe it'll look better in engine. I don't know. If you let it, it's clear enough, and it doesn't need to be final quite yet. Hero, attack, M, sword, M, sword, L, cut, 0, 2. All right. Okay. Up. Oh boy. Oh. It's a good test cut. Like you're lining up to try to cut or something. Like like lining up your axe to cut a tree down or something. There we go. Alright. Okay. Sorry, I kind of zoned in there for a moment, trying to figure out these animations. Alright, well, I just want to get these feet, copy these feet, and then from here, I'm just going to make sure, paste, paste, and then from here, paste, paste, very violent, but you know, killing people is a rather violent process. I generally say that anyway. Generally speaking, murder is violent. I could be wrong on that though. In theoretically, I could be wrong. And then, hang on. Gonna clear parent on this. Clear parent to keep transforms. And I'm going to parent it to that bone right here. There we go. Okay. Anyways. Hero, you're gonna be exported. How do you feel about that? All right. I'm gonna export this. Player. Hero dummy. Hero. Include selected objects. These out. Or Y is up. Apply modifiers. Export. Let that spinning wheel do its magic. The magic spin wheel. And then, yep, it's loading in, and hopefully does not crash everything. Hooray, it didn't crash everything. And now, for one of the ultimate tests. We are going to bone attachment. This one is going to be attached to, was it? It's control something, right? I believe. Unless it is deform. But I cannot imagine. Okay, it is item hold is what it's called. Item hold. That's item hold.r. I need item hold.l. Item hold.l. There we are. And then I just can attach a sword to that. And, okay, well, let me open engine assets then. Or this. So I can adjust how this is held. There. Yeah, that's good. And then we're going to do a one shot. Animation. And then we're going to do hero cut start just for now. Fire. Boom. Oh, I don't want to do that. Tricky, what is happening to you? Item hold L. Tricky shoulder. You have the... I don't like that. Tricky cling. There we go. Okay. Now, just for the ease of it, and so I don't tear my head out doing a combat system improperly, I need to do a click, click, left click, left click, and let's add right click just in case, and middle click, and scroll up and scroll down. Left click, mouse button, right click, middle mouse button, mouse wheel up, and mouse wheel down. Alright, that's what we're going to go with. If input is action just pressed, attack. Is there already an attack button? Well, let's remove that. If input that is action just pressed, left click. Then we are going to do anim dot set one shot. Nope, that's not what I want. Alright, we're going to set that to animation node one shot dot one shot request fire. And then let's see if that works. It should work. It better work. Look at that, swing sword. Okay. Now, this is the painful part. We are going to grab that. This isn't the painful part yet. We're going to put that in legacy assets. Old hero. Now, close that. Okay. Open you up. Animations. Well, why is there a second reset? Okay. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, so yeah, Hero and Tricky's rigs definitely are not interchangeable. Keep tracks. Oh boy. Assets. People. Player. Hero. Animation. Hero anims. Alright. Hero. Walk. We're just gonna call it normal. Hero walk normal. Hero sprint normal. Hero sprint normal. Oops, hang on. And here. Hero run normal. Hero idle 0-1. Alright, now hero stance M and a sword. Whoops, not that. People, player. Attacks. Hang on, nope. Here items. Weapons. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Weapons. 1 second. Alright, weapons. Long sword. Alright, hero, stance, M, sword, L. Nope, these do not loop. Hero, attack, M, sword, L, thrust. I believe that's thrust. Yes. That is not loop. Assets. And now this, I'm willing to bet, is going to crash. But all the stuff should save. Hero, attack, M, sword, L, cut, start. Hero, attack, M, sword, L, cut, 0, 0, 2. Those don't need to be saved. Re-import. And it's gonna crash it probably. What? You're kidding. It didn't crash. a joke. I mean, okay, awesome. Okay. Okay, no, that's fine. Haha. The joke is that it's not a one shot. When it says one shot, okay. Okay. So. Okay, I think I know how I'm gonna do this. Transition. No, not that. That's great. Tricky. Why do you do this? Why do you do this, Tricky? Why do you do this to me? You do weird little stunts that totally ruin it. For me, anyway. Oh, cling. There we go. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? What is life? Life is about making this video game. Clearly. Alright. Okay, so I need to figure out how to set up this animation stuff. Paint.net, or not paint.net, paint, just paint, not the .net part. Okay, so I'm thinking here, if I were to do something like this. Okay, so first of all, I need it to be modular because the hero is going to be able to use multiple items. So there needs to be kind of like, oh, nope. Alright. So this needs to be the kind of input handler. Oh man. You know what, just go for it. I'm just gonna go for it. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 Hmm. Okay. State machine. Open editor. Hmm. Oh. Okay. So the animation tree is just a lot more complex than I ever thought it was, or capable of being a lot more complex. It's a lot more powerful than I thought it was. That's the word I should use. So we are just going to blend this right now. Animation. Ba 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 ba. Okay. Okay, fine. I won't mess with that. Cool. No. Let's just put in a one shot. I still have a blend space 2D in here? I should not have a blend space 2D in here. I shouldn't even have a blend space 1D. Oh, whoops. Nope. That's not what I meant to do. Da-da-da. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-da. Okay, I see. what I'm doing now. I don't entirely get it, but I get it more now. Okay. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Flying around. Flying around at the speed of sound like a little man in the glue ball. Boo-da-da, boo-da-da, boo-da-da-da, boo. Da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da. All right. Oh well. Okay, hang on. Up. Okay. Da 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 da. Okay. I think that's what I'm gonna do for attacking for the day. But I'm going to just gonna go past that. Okay. Process. Pass. All right, so what I'm going to do is, so you know how all these trees are billboards? What I'm going to do is, in code, I am going to get the, while the game is running, I'm going to get the player's position. And I already have a function set up to make the player's position global. So anything can get the player's position at any time. But okay, yeah. So anything will be able to get the player's position at any time. Which means that I can get the player's position with these trees all the time, anytime. So, here's my, also the terrain plugin that I'm using has a nifty little, little thing called terrain region. And I'm gonna, hang on, I'm gonna save that, I'm gonna save that. And all the rest of these, I'm just gonna close all. And then terrain 3D region. I'm gonna get world. And I'm gonna get the terrain 3D thing. Okay. So in process, gonna wanna get dot terrain 3D region. Hang on. Terrain dot terrain. Hang on, what? Terrain dot get instances. Hang on. Terrain 3D. Terrain dot dot data. Terrain dot data. Is it dot data? Dot terrain. Dot terrain. Man, I don't know what I'm doing. Region. Uh-oh. Okay. Hang on, I'm going to look at the documentation of the Terrain 3D add-on. Terrain 3D documentation. Hi. So this game is going to be a Zelda-like project, kind of. It's a big hodgepodge of stuff, but it's mainly a 3D action adventure game with heavy influence from like traditional 3D Zelda titles. Yeah. So right now, I am trying to figure out... Oh, bad gateway. That's great. I'm trying to figure out... So I'm using Terrain 3D for the world environment. And I'm trying to figure out how to, get the information of the terrain instances, like these tree instances. I'm trying to figure out how to get the info for these, so that during runtime I can grab them with the player. Well, not with the player, but get which ones are within a specific range from the player, and turn these from billboards into the meshes. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Yay, finally 100 subscribers. That's awesome. I'm trying to figure out if I should do something for that or not. If I should do some kind of celebration thing for those. So this moon should not be on during the day. The moon should not have any shadows during the day. Yeah, moon off. Moon is still off. Moon should still be off by this time. And then moon can be turned on. Okay. Anyways. But yeah, I'm trying to... What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Resources. Is it resources? Terrain 3D region. Resource stores all map data for Terrain 3D. See control map format. Nodes. Terrain 3D. All right. Okay, Terrain 3D. Terrain 3D data is what it's called. Oops. Right? Is that the thing I'm looking for? Is it what I'm looking for? Terrain dot get data. Nope. Get data. No. Get no. Terrain dot get date no. Add no. I have no idea what I'm doing. Terrain 3D instance there. It's active. Terrain 3D. Terrain 3D divides all data into regions, which fits on a grid in the world. These coordinates are called region locations. The map data are stored in instances of the Terrain 3D region, which are saved to individual files. This class manages region loading, upload data, retrieves, and manipulation. Array. No. Terrain data. Okay. Terrain dot data where is data? Data dot instances get instance ID. Okay. 3D data. Terrain 3D data. There we go. Add region. Get. Is there a get? Nope. Get instant. Is there a get instance ID? Get region ID. Get instance ID. Okay, no, that's not it then. Terrain data, get data. Alright, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to print and then I'm gonna plus no, hang on. Yeah. Wait, no, right. Plus string hello. This is my printed info. String. Okay. Whatever that does nothing like. I don't know what does not like that, but this does not like that. Are you loading? I loaded in. Okay, quit. This is wrapped 0. This is my printed info. Whoa, that's a lot of that. Yeah. This is a part of game development they don't want you to see. Yeah, so that's nonsense. Data is terrain3d.data. Get data. Okay, so I want to get data. Get data. Terrain 3D region dot instances. Okay. Is that nonsense? Just making sure sorry about that. I don't know if you heard me grabbing the microphone, but that was just to make sure that the microphone is still facing me, because what I have right now, I have a very janky setup for my microphone because my mic stand broke. And so, very janky thing. Get data dot terrain 3D region dot get instances. Now, does that work? I wonder. I don't know what happened there, but it crashed in the middle of loading the frame. Okay, I see now. Okay. Player pause. Oh wait, global.player pause. Global.player pause. Dot get. Whoops. Instances. Nope, hang on. Get instances. Now let's try that. Ooh, no, 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 no. The game does not like that. Definitely not liking that every single frame. Ooh, no. Yeah, not a big fan of printing that. Hang on. Pass. Just want to make sure that is indeed the reason why. Yeah, that. Alright, I'm gonna try that one more time. Just to make sure that's what's going on. Yeah, no, that's not big fan of that at all. Okay, what if I just get that on ready? Will it be okay with just doing that on ready? Okay. So I want to get specific instances. Get instances to dictionary. Dictionary that stores the instances transforms. The format is returns. A dictionary keyed by mesh ID that returns. Dictionary keyed by the grid location. The 2 meter by the that returns. A 3-item array that contains 0 instance returned. 1. Okay. All right, hang on. Right. Oh, wait. No, I was supposed to look at the information that this gave me. Not cancel or, you know. Hang on, wait. I'm gonna have to do that, so what? Oh boy. Game dev is hard, man. For such a silly little thing. For a silly little... No way. You monster. Okay, hang on. What if I did a thing where I just did var directory equals string. Oh, wait, no. String. And directory equals you done any coding or dev before deciding to make this? Oh yeah, no, I've been working doing game dev for like 4 years, almost 5, I think, something like that. I've been doing game dev for a while, but this is like my first kind of big project that I'm actually trying to see through anyway. I have only one other project released, and that was like a kind of 1 month thing. But yeah. Other than that, no. Well, yeah, I've been doing game dev for a little while. Oh, okay, right. String. All right. Now, what if I print directory? This is a stupid idea. I don't think this is gonna change anything. Actually, it'll probably change. It won't be terrible. Okay. That literally. Set deferred. Wait, no. Why would this do that? Because, okay, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing, man. Here. I was recommended to use Spatial Garden here. So I'll try that. But I have 0 hopes it will do as I said, specifically because it says this is a single player plugin and works best with finite medium-sized scenes. Think platform shooters, adventure games, anything with a handmade level. And my scene isn't medium. Try and make my own 2D game in Godot. I've never written a line of code before starting this, so I'm learning as I do. Awesome, man. Yeah, no, that's kind of how I started out. I was, so I started out in like my freshman year of high school. Spatial Garden. Yeah, so I started in like my freshman year of high school. Okay, what am I saying? Yeah. I started my freshman year of high school, And, you know, it was during COVID, you know, so our school gave us computers to, like, take home. And then I realized eventually, like, hey, wait a minute. I could just start making a game if I wanted to. Like, I could just start doing game development. Because now I have the means to do it. I never had a computer before, so being able to bring, like, a laptop home, and it was like a game changer, you know? It was like totally, it was like, yeah, I'm gonna make a video game. And so I started out just, you know, just super basic, like just a green ball in a dark room or something like that. And I got super excited just being able to move the ball around with WASD. Like, it was exhilarating, you know, just doing that. Like, you'd think, like, oh, you're joking, right? That's like basic, but no, like, it's crazy how something so little can be so valuable, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, so good on you, man. It is an incredibly frustrating and incredibly rewarding journey. So yeah. World instances. I'm gonna say that. Oh, what? Huh. Mesh. What? Yeah, it's game dev is, it's weird, you know? It's like playing God. It's the best way I can describe it. Got access to property. Sub inspector BG. Okay, how do I use this? To simplify full lead placement in a natural feeling way without having to use height maps, terrain, or writing procedural placement algorithms. It can also handle thousands of full leads without completely tanking the FPS with a reasonable setup. It is a single player plugin and works best with finite medium-sized scenes. Think platformers, shooters, adventure games, anything with a handmade level. Well, this is a handmade level, but I don't really fail to create SVG for buffer. Yeah, I don't know how to use this, so I'm not going to use this. I do know how to use this terrain 3D though. I just don't know how to access the dang information of these instances. Instances. All right. Get data. Like train.get data. Dot get region p dot get instance ID. What does get instance ID? Oh wait, no, right. That get instances. Huh? Oh, right. It's got to be player. Right. Global.playerPause. Get instances. Alright, yep, we're just gonna print. And this is going to take the frame rate, but this is okay. How many of these were loaded? Okay. Okay. Two. This one's 0. And then I can delete that. Make it so only these trees exist. Make sure the music is playing. And then run that again, knowing that the... Whoops, I hit the microphone. Run that again, knowing that only trees are being loaded. Oh. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba. Whoops. Okay. I see. All right. Well, that's about 2 hours. So I am gonna end that there, mostly because I need to use the bathroom. But you know, thank you for those of you who watched. I enjoyed your company. I'm only really able to get work done, well, relatively efficient, you know, a decent amount of work done from my perspective. I'm only really able to get that amount of work done if I am streaming. So, yeah, thank you for those of you who watched, and I will see you guys next time.